So what are assignment operators actually? Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. And the different types of assignment values are is equaled, plus equaled, minus equaled, and so on until the exponent which I have seen in the past. Okay. Okay. Let's try this with examples. A equal to 5. So we have assigned a variable, we have assigned a value of 5 to a variable A. We are creating variable over here and assign a value to it. So this is all about assign value. Now let's check what is meant by plus equal to. It's nothing but it adds the right side value to the left side value and assign the result value to the left side value. Okay, let's see an example. A plus equal to 2. So the result should be 7. Let's print A. So how Python has calculated that? A plus equal to 2 is indirectly equals to A equal to A plus 2. So this statement was actually equal to A is equal to A plus 2. But in short terms, Python, we can able to notify Python in this manner. Let's check that. A is equal to 7. A is equal to A plus 2. A plus 2. Print A. So this was the output. So this is all about plus equal to, and similarly with minus equal to. If A is equal to 4, A minus equal to 1. So this is equal to A is equal to A minus 1. Since A is equal to 4, A is equal to 4 minus 1, which is nothing but 3. Print A. That's all. And that's all with the multiplication, and that's all with the division. Okay, if you want example, let's take another example then. Is equal to 4. A division equal to 2. The answer should be 2, which is nothing but 4 by 2, which is nothing but A by 2. Print A. Okay. Next, B is equal to 3. Equal to 2. So here 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Print B. Okay, and now the modulus. As we have discussed just now, the modulus is nothing but the reminder of the division operation. Okay, let's initialize another variable called C. C is equal to 11. C modulus equal to 2. The answer should be 10. If we divide 11 by 2, the remainder was 1 actually. Okay, print C. So the remainder should be 1. Okay, now the last one was exponential. Let's initialize another variable is equal to 3, and let's try to check 3 to the power of 4, which is nothing but 81, equal to 4. Print D. Yes, that's right. Okay, now we have got to know about assignment operators, and let's dig into bitwise operators.